Hello friends, I'm Jay Patalia from Info Tech Channel. There are 5 key features to expect in future smartphones. As the name suggests, smartphones possess smarter capabilities than mobile phones, providing then 1. Augmented reality, AR. The term augmented reality or AR when used in the context of computer technology refers to what we perceive through our senses, usually sight, enhanced through the use of computer-generated sensory input such as sound, video, graphics and GPS data. Simply put, AR makes available more information for us users by combining computer data to what we see in real life. Using the camera on your phone, you can point it somewhere live to get an information overlay of where you can find the nearest cafes or dining places, for example. Augmented reality, AR, is a live direct or indirect view of a physical, real-world environment whose elements are augmented, or supplemented, by computer-generated sensory input such as sound, video, graphics or GPS data. It is related to a more general concept called mediated reality, in which a view of reality is modified, possibly even diminished rather than augmented, by a computer. As a result, the technology functions by enhancing one's current perception of reality. 1. By contrast, 2. Flexible screens. It may soon be the case where smartphones are able to provide a large screen to watch and play your favorite movies and games while maintaining a pocketable size. Screens can be folded and unfolded, all thanks to organic light-emitting diode, OLED, technology. This paper-thin screen can even project future features smartphones from both sides of the screen, so you can show pictures or videos to your friend on one side while using the other as a control. Check out this concept smartphone by IKEF. With such physical flexibility for smartphones, some companies even have plans on make wearable smartphones for the masses. For instance, Nokia is currently conducting research on their concept device, Morph, http://research.nokia.com/morph which offers users the option of wearing it as a wristwatch or unfold it to use as a typical handset as and when required. It all depends on the task the users are engaging with. A flexible display is an electronic visual display which is flexible in nature, as opposed to the more prevalent traditional flat screen displays. 3. Inbuilt projector. If flexible screens are not enough to compensate for the small screens on smartphones, why not integrate a projector within? Samsung Galaxy Beam was released back in the second half of 2010. It features a built-in DLP, digital light projection, WVGA projector that is able to project future features smartphones at up to 50 inches in size at 15 lumens. What good will this do? Well, for one thing, future smartphones can actually be turned into an interactive gaming consoles without a need for a TV screen. All you'll need is a flat surface. Instead of a physical controller, you can use your body or your voice. Similar to Kinect, a smart camera and a voice control function can capture your movements and voice commands to let you interact with objects and future features smartphones on the projected screen. Of course, you can imagine the drainage rate on your smartphone's battery life, and there's also the other issue with luminance, i.e. the amount of light it outputs. Inbuilt projectors for smartphones must be small, and as the paradox sits, the smaller the projector is, the lesser light it will be able to give out. With better technology though, issues such as these. 4. Seamless voice control. Voice control has been receiving much attention since Siri made headlines. Voice control has existed in many earlier mobile phones even though the voice recognition function was crude at best. Research has been made to advance the development of voice control, but it has proved to be a paramount task. Siri might have signaled a breakthrough to the way voice control and recognition programming ought to be made. Instead of recognizing commands via sound waves like most voice recognition systems, Siri interprets diction and syntax in a similar fashion to how we recognize speech. Such natural language user interfaces prove to be more effective and accurate. Voice control has been receiving much attention since Siri made headlines. Voice control has existed in many earlier mobile phones even though the voice recognition function was crude at best. Research has been made to advance the development of voice control, but it has proved to be a paramount task. Siri might have signaled a breakthrough to the way voice control and recognition programming ought to be made. Instead of recognizing commands via sound waves like most voice recognition systems, Siri interprets diction and syntax in a similar fashion to how we recognize speech. 5. 3D screens and holograms. Smartphones may have already reached the peak for their screen resolution with Apple's Retina display, which actually provides a resolution that is sharper than what the human eye can perceive. Yet, even then, we still want more. Mobile companies are now moving from 2D future features smartphones to 3D future features smartphones for the smartphone screen. At present, we have a couple of 3D smartphones in the market, such as the LG Optimus 3D, the Motorola MT810 as well as the very first Samsung AMOLED 3D. So what happens after 3D? Well, the next path could possibly be holographic projections. In essence, holographic projections will mean a combination of 3D future features smartphone and projections from the smartphone. According to Mobiledia Network, Master Image 3D had previously showcased their ongoing development on a projection system that allows smartphones to display 3D holograms at the annual Mobile World Congress last February. If you want to talk about the potential of holographic projections in smartphones, it's